Falana asks Federal High Court Chief Judge to reassign Rivers Assembly case. Renowned human rights lawyer Femi Falana has requested the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Soho, to reassign the case filed by Martin Ameole's faction of the Rivers State House of Assembly against the Rivers State government and others to the Port Harcourt Division of the court. Ameole's faction of the State Assembly had instituted the suit asking for the withholding of funds meant for local government areas in the state, with the case suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/984/2024 was initially assigned to Justice Emeka Nwite and later reassigned to Justice Joyce Abdulmalik, both in the Abuja Judicial Division. In a letter dated October 25, 2024, Falana, through his law firm Falana and Falana, representing the 9th and 10th defendants in the suit, argued that the Port Harcourt Division has the territorial jurisdiction to hear the case, as the 1st, 2nd, and 3rd defendants have offices in Port Harcourt, while the remaining parties reside there. The firm cited previous instances where the Chief Judge ordered the transfer of cases to the appropriate judicial divisions. Furthermore, the law firm expressed concerns about the likelihood of bias in the Abuja Judicial Division, as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Minister Nyesom Wike, and an interested party had earlier announced plans to build houses for judges in Abuja. The firm argued that these acts might influence the case's outcome, contrary to the constitutional guarantee of judicial independence and impartiality. The letter reads, "Apart from the issue of forum convenience, our clients have decided to request the transfer on the ground of likelihood of bias in the Abuja Judicial Division of the Federal High Court, as the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Mr. Nyesom Wike, who is an interested party in this case, has announced plans to build houses for judges with the Katampe district of the Federal Capital Territory. The minister has promised to allocate about 10 out of the 40 houses to judges of the Federal High Court, Abuja. Your Lordship will agree with us that the act of building houses for judges by the executive is not in consonance with sections 81 and 121(3) of the Nigerian Constitution, which have guaranteed financial autonomy for the judiciary. Since the budget of the judiciary was increased from 168 billion naira to 345 billion naira in the 2024 Appropriation Act, it is the responsibility of the National Judicial Council to ensure that houses are built for judges and distributed to them. It is the humble view of our clients that the decision of the Honorable Minister to build houses for judges may influence the outcome of the case, contrary to Section 36(1) of the Constitution, which stipulates that a court or tribunal shall be constituted in such a manner as to secure its independence and impartiality. Meanwhile, a Federal High Court in Abuja on Friday reserved judgment in a suit filed by Rivers House of Assembly led by Martin Ameole, seeking to stop all allocations to the state. Justice Joyce Abdulmalik adjourned the judgments to a date that would be communicated to parties after the lawyers to the plaintiff and the defense adopted their processes and argued their case for and against the suit. This came after Justice Abdulmalik dismissed all objections raised by the Rivers government against proceeding with the hearing of the suit. The judge dismissed the applications by the state government and other defendants in the suit to stay proceedings, pending the hearing and the determination of the appeal already filed before the appeal court. The judge held that the request was frivolous, vexatious, unwarranted, and mischievous. Well, what are your opinions on this? Make sure to leave them in the comments down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and make sure to turn on notifications so you can be notified when we upload daily content here on this channel. And make sure to share this video with your family and friends so that they know what is going on and they can give